is I used to have this video. If you can see it on my screen, that video gave me 4K plus views. These aren't the usual don't forget a thumbnail tip, okay? I'm talking about like real things I did wrong. Real things I did wrong that affected my growth, that affected my consistency and confidence as a creator, okay? So let's get right into it. Hey YouTube family, if you're just starting your channel and or you're struggling to grow, this one is for you. Now, I've made some mistakes, like serious mistakes on my journey, and today I'm going to be laying them all out so you don't have to like go through the same stress that I did. One of the biggest mistakes I did was like disappearing. Now, I used to make this mistake. I'll post a video, then I'll just vanish for weeks, and that was not good. Now, the thing is, YouTube loves consistency. If you're not consistent, I'm sorry, my brother, my sister, you're going nowhere. Even if you're just posting a video a week, the whole point is to be consistent. And if you cannot be consistent, I don't think YouTube can work with you. Now I know better. The best thing is to like pick a realistic date or a realistic day in a week and stick to it so that it can help you out. Now the second mistake I made was I was always overthinking my niche. I was always worrying. I kept worrying, like, is this vlog okay? Should I focus on only this vlog, or should I focus on like posting on jobs, or should I focus on only on YouTube tips? And all those things kept like slowing me down. Do you get, like, overthinking it kept slowing me down? But now I realize that your niche can actually evolve. Yeah, your niche can evolve. Just start where you are, okay? And let your audience help shape your direction. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be the all-knowing. You don't have to have the best YouTube lights or anything. Just start where you are and let your audience like shape your direction. Now, the third thing that I made a mistake on was I wasn't always promoting my video enough. When I say enough, I wasn't even trying. I used to think that I always had this thought that YouTube will magically push your videos for you, but I was wrong. No, you have to promote your videos. Use your WhatsApp status, use your IG story, use your group chats. Let people know what you do. Let people know that, yeah, you posted a video, and trust me, the algorithm will start working with you. But if you don't do any of this, you just keep getting those low views that you've been getting. Okay, now the fourth thing that I would say I didn't know but it was wrong is that I didn't study my analytics early. I did not. I used to like post and just ghost. I did that a lot. I never like looked at what worked. But the thing is, your YouTube studio is full of clues, and I didn't even know all this. Like, your YouTube video tells you what videos get views. It tells you where people dropped off, like where people stopped watching, where there is hike, where people got interested in more. It tells you which title worked. Do you get? Now I get to check it like back to back so that I can know what is actually working for me. So I suggest you also do the same if you've not been doing so. Now the other thing that I would say was kind of like a thing for me was that I tried to be perfect. I tried to be so perfect, and this one hits hard. Like, I did videos just because they weren't perfect, and not even delayed. Some I deleted. In fact, majority I deleted because they were not perfect. But the truth is that perfection actually kills momentum. Yeah, it does kill momentum. Some of my best videos were not perfect. They were not even perfect at all, but they were real. And an example is I used to have this video. If you can see it on my screen, that video gave me 4K plus views, but it got deleted by YouTube. It got deleted by YouTube for some things that I think I did wrong, which I know I didn't do anything wrong. I tried to appeal, but it stays deleted anyway. That video was my worst video, like, in making. I don't even know, maybe I was drunk when I posted it, but it was my worst video. There was no perfection to it, nothing, but it got that gave me my highest views because I was real in it. In fact, I was just learning how to even make, I was learning how to edit. So I made a lot of mistakes. I'm not even proud of, but that gave me my like most views. Do you get? Just be real, and your audience will help shape your direction. Now, a bonus tip that I can add to it is that you not asking for engagement can also like debar you from getting what you want, like a lot of views and all that. Now, if you notice, I always say, if this video helps you, please drop a comment in the comment section. That simple line that I just said, it's actually invites people. It invites people to talk back, and that way you can start like building a community. If only I had been consistent, I'm sure my subscribers would have grown more, my views would have been more than this, but like I said, I always just post and post. Okay, so if any of these mistakes sounds familiar, let me know in the comment section. Okay, or tell me your own, tell me where you made mistakes, tell me what you did wrong, so we can all learn from you. And if you're a new creator, please subscribe, because I've got like more tips and tools and behind the scenes stuff that are coming soon, because I've been doing a lot of research. I'm not even going to overthink it this time. I will try not to overthink it and just post. Okay, even this video that I'm making, for it to get out here, trust me, I've made like 3 videos of it, but I posted anyway. So that will be all for now. You're not behind, okay? You're just getting started, and every video is like a step forward. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day.